Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing really well. Today we're going to be talking about the human nervous system. The nervous system is a network of nerves. What are nerves, you say? Nerves are a collection of neurons that transmit electrochemical signals across the body. There are three main functions of the nervous system. Firstly, detect stimuli from the environment, or in other words, monitor changes in homeostasis. Examples of stimuli include light, pressure, taste, and heat, but there are so many more. The stimulus is then converted into an electrical signal to be transmitted via sensory nerves. Once a signal has reached the central nervous system, it is processed and a response is then coordinated. The human nervous system has a hierarchy. First, it splits to become the peripheral and central nervous system. The peripheral nervous system then breaks into the visceral, somatic, and enteric nervous system. The visceral, otherwise known as autonomic, is then split into the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Let's start off with the central nervous system. The central nervous system is composed of the brain and spinal cord. The central nervous system interprets information received from the peripheral nervous system and accordingly coordinates a response. Next is the peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system consists of nerves outside the central nervous system. Main nerves include the 12 cranial nerves, 31 pairs of spinal nerves, and ganglia. This is not indicated here, but ganglia are a cluster of neuronal cell bodies. Let's move onto the somatic nervous system. The somatic nervous system is composed of sensory and motor neurons. Sensory somatic nerves mediate external stimuli from sensory organs such as the skin. Stimuli from skin can include pain, temperature, or fine and coarse touch. Motor somatic nerves innervate skeletal muscle, which produce voluntary movements. An example of this would be walking. Next, we have the enteric nervous system. The enteric nervous system is located in the lining of gastrointestinal tract. Its main function is to control the speed and intensity of contractions in the gut, as well as the secretion and absorption rate of substances. Lastly, the autonomic system is split again. The sympathetic system is responsible for the flight, mobilizing energy for survival, whereas the parasympathetic system is responsible for motions associated with digestion and rest. That's all for today. Thank you for listening.